Hey there, the YC-100 10.9 touchscreen humidifier combines advanced technology with user-friendly operation. Let's work through the operation process. Step 1. Position your humidifier in the cabinet or humidor and connect the controller with the humidifier body with USB wire. Then connect the power supply. Step 2. Comparing the controller to the humidifier. We paired the controller and the humidifier before leaving the factory. You can check the icon on the controller to confirm. If you find that the comparing is not completed, you need to perform a separate operation. Reconnect the power supply and the display off. You can see the mainboard light flashing quickly. Now, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Successfully pairing is confirmed by a solid LED and a connection icon. Here is a note. Pairing must be completed within 30 seconds. If it failed, restart the process. Step 3. Water filling. We recommend using distilled water for the best performance. Watch the water level index as you fill. The optimal range is between 5.8 and 8 on the scale. We are at 7 now, which is perfect. Step 4. Place the 1 meter sensor where cigars are stored and mount the controller at a convenient viewing height in your cigar cabinet. Step 5. Check the data on the display now. Current humidity 55% RH. And the aim humidity range is 60 to 70% RH. Then let's set it. Press and hold on the down button. We can see it's flashing. Up or down. Example 72% RH. Wait it flashing. Then we set it successfully. It's same for the start humidity range. Long press the up button, flashing. Same 60% RH, wait it, flashing. Then the start humidity and stop humidity is set finished. Remember, start humidity must be lower than stop humidity, otherwise it will turn into a fault code. Also, on the display you can see here is a fan icon. It means the fan is working successfully. Your YC-100 10.9 is now ready to maintain perfect cigar conditions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cigar humidifier related content. For more details, visit geterify.com. I'm Cloud. Thank you for your watching.